Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're trying on the Aloe Yoga Toasted Almond color in the Soho Pullover, Soho Sweatpant, and the Women's Plush Lush socks. Try saying that 10 times fast. Now, to give a little bit of a background on why I picked up these pieces, I am going on a flight soon and I wanted to find the absolute coziest but still chic outfit. Now, I've been doing a lot of research on how to make the best of a long haul flight and be the coziest in economy. And what I discovered was basically that you need to have like very flowy, comfortable clothing, nothing too tight. Even something with a zipper, like a full zipper, if you're wearing a sweater would be great. And then having little extras that just make you feel like you are doing something special and making more of an event out of the occasion. So that's why I picked up the Lush socks. Now, I had previously tried out the Soho material, I believe in some sweat short material, and I wasn't the biggest fan, mainly because of the pilling that came out after I washed them. Now, what you will see with this fabric is that there's already kind of some pilling, so I did ask around and got some additional opinions, and it looks like the fabric is supposed to be textured, and I guess if you are okay with that look, that kind of vibe, little more worn in and cozy, comfy vibe, then this is not going to be a problem for you. Now, looking at these Lush socks, I thought that these were the perfect texture. I'm always on the hunt for the most cozy socks, and I've tried out a few of the other socks, and I definitely think these are the coziest. So altogether, was really excited to try this on. So let's go ahead and get into our try on. Now for size reference, I did pick up both the top and the bottom in a size extra small, and of course the socks were just one size, so there was no decision there. Now upon first trying these on, I was definitely in love. I felt like they were so soft, so cozy, and I really liked the color. I definitely feel like this is the perfect fall color. I felt like I was about to go grab a warm cup of coffee and sit in the fall weather and just feel that lovely breeze. Let's talk about the silhouette for a little bit. So first of all, I really love the pants. I love the detail of the line or the seam that goes kind of from the side all the way up and over around the back of the pants, above the pockets, and down to the other side. I feel like the cut and the seams just made it really flattering, and it made it really easy for these to be high-waisted, but again, super flattering. I also love how big the pant pockets are. And then of course we need to talk about the pockets. The pockets on these pants are amazing. They're kind of like a mesh inside, and honestly they're just so special. Now the pullover is a little bit more basic. It's not my favorite if I'm totally honest, mainly for the silhouette and kind of the oversized look, but if I do tuck it up into either the front of my bra or the back of my bra, it felt like it gave it a little bit more of a cute vibe. So that being said, I do think it's versatile and you can style it in a lot of different ways, right? We're seeing a lot of content on Instagram and social media about styling versus wearing, and I think this is definitely one of those options. Now let's go ahead and try on these Lush Plush socks. So you saw how they were kind of unboxed from the packaging. I do believe this is so that you cannot try them on and then return them. So these are a returnable item, but once they're out of the packaging and thus not resellable, they're not going to be returnable. Now my one qualm that I do have with the socks is that they're in toasted almond color, but they don't look the same. You will see that there's like a slight difference, and it's not enough for me to have returned them or not wear them on the airplane, but they are a very noticeably different color if you are looking for it. Let me know in the comments below if that would bother you. I think once I see it, I can't unsee it. Now, I recently also bought the Tiebreaker zip up, mainly for this option of traveling with it on the airplane, and I thought it looked really cute. Particularly, I really like the ivory and toasted almond pairing. So if you are looking at some other items in that ivory color to pair with this, I thought that would be really cute, especially like some ivory socks. Now, ultimately, I chose not to go with this jacket for my trip, mainly because it's cropped and I don't think it'll give me that versatility of warmth. But obviously, that's just this one use case. That is all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.